Hello guys, welcome back to Craze. So today's gonna be a very special video because I'm gonna be changing the tires of my Brezza. So I'm gonna give you guys a complete information of tires, how to choose the tires, what section of tires you can go, how much you can upgrade it to, and mainly which tire you should go for your requirements and the year of manufacturing. For now, I'll take you guys towards my Brezza and show you guys the tires which I'm running right now and why I need to change it. So let's get started. So guys, here's my Brezza now. As you guys can see, as stock I'm running a 215 by 60 R16. So this is the width of the tire. So 215 is this width. So 215 is in the form of millimeters, so it's 215 millimeters of width, 60 millimeters of the height. As you guys can see, 60 denotes to this height. So this to here is 60 millimeters and this to this is 215. So that's what 215 and 60 denote to. R denotes to radial. So most of the tires are radial, and it's very rare to find a tire which is not radial, because whatever tires you're going to get now are all radial. And 16 is the diameter of the alloy or the rim which you're going to have. Now this is a 16-inch diameter alloy wheel, so that's why it's 215 60 R16. So guys, these are the tires which I received from the factory. It's a 5-year-old car and I haven't changed the tires from the time I bought the car. So it's a 215 60 R16 Apollo's Alcanac 4G tires. Now I've done almost 64,600 kilometers on this tires with just proper wheel rotation and wheel alignment. Now it's very risky to run 64,000 or more than 40,000 kilometers on these kind of tires. So the life is around 40,000 kilometers, but I ran around 65,600 kilometers, which is totally not advisable. But I did that because I was only using it in the city and I wasn't taking it to the highway. So that was one reason, but I would highly recommend you guys to change it in every 40,000 kilometers. So it's totally short right now. I'm not going to reveal what tires I'm going to be installing until I get to the shop. For now, this is how all the 4 tires look like. I've parked on the end of the road, so I cannot show you guys the other 2 tires. I'll show it to you once I reach to the store where I'm going to change my tires. I'm going to give you guys a complete information of what tires I'm going to install, and it's going to be pretty interesting because it's not going to be the same 215 section tires. It's going to be something different. So let's head to the store and I'll catch you guys on the other side. So guys, my Brezza is here and the work has been started. So I'm going with a wider section tire than the standard, as explained to you guys. Mine was a 215 60 R16, so I'm going for a wider section. I'll be revealing you the tires as well. Right now I'm at Tyre Tec out here near the Kanteerva stadium. These guys are the OEM or the main distributors for Michelin tires as well as Michelin products. I'll be giving you guys an overview of the store as well. This is how the store is. So this is where the Kanteerva stadium is. For a location, this is going to help you guys. I'll be dropping a pin location down in the description as well. So the tires have been removed. The front 2 tires, the right side tires are removed, and the left rear is also removed. So the tires being refitted here. So these are my tires, the Apollo Alcanac 4G. As you guys can see, it's totally short. 65,000 kilometers on this tire with just wheel rotation, wheel alignment. And the tires which I'm going for is this. It's a Yokohama Geolander. Now the section of this is a 235 60 R16. So I'm going for a wider section, around 20 millimeters wider section. So they've started with the work. They have removed the first tire. So this is the tire. It has got multiple punctures. So the tire has been removed. So let them do the work. I'll be fast forwarding this and giving you guys an overview later on. So guys, the tires have been removed and right now the wheel balancing for the new tires is going on, and those are the weights. So that's how the weights look like, and they balance it in the right way so that we don't have any mismatch between all the 4 tires, and it's balanced in the right OEM spec. Now this is the maximum which you can go according to the OEM spec on a Brezza. 235 is the maximum. If you go more than that, then there's a problem with the clearance. It might touch on the end to end while you lock the wheel from left end to right end. I'm so sorry, there's a generator running out here, so my voice might be a bit fade. I'm so sorry for that. So let them finish up the complete work. I'll be showing you guys how it looks on the car. So right now, that's how the normal profile looks like, and I'll be showing you guys how it looks like with the wider profile tires. Right now I'm going to be using the stock alloys. I'll be changing the alloys in the near future, but for now I'm running it only on the stock alloys. So guys, this is the new tire, the Yokohama Geolander 235/60 R16, and this is my old Apollo's tire which has run around 65,000 kilometers. You guys can see the threads, it's totally short. It's very risky to drive with these tires because of the COVID situation. I had to drive with these tires. Even now, because of the import ban, it's very difficult to find these tires. But luckily I got a hand of this, and I'm lucky to get this Yokohama Geolander 235. Right now 2 tires have been installed. Now the other 2 has to be installed. Once they are installed, I'll be giving you guys a final overview. So this is just the difference. As you guys can see, the profile, this 215, this 235. It's around 2 centimeters more. Doesn't make a huge difference, but this is how it looks for a quick side-by-side comparison. So guys, 3 tires out of 4 have been installed on the car. So I'm going to give you an overview of this tire on one side. So as you guys can see, it's a Yokohama. Now this is where the profile has been written on this. It's a 235/60 R16. I'm so sorry, this bright sun, I don't know whether the camera is capable enough to capture. Yes, 235/60 R16. Now this is a very fresh rubber. As you guys can see, it's manufactured in 21. So it's manufactured in 2021. It's a very fresh rubber, and guys, please don't go for any tire which is more than 2 years old. The rubber tends to become hard and it's not safe to get those tires. Don't think that if they're giving you a good deal or very cheap price, it's because the tires might be old. So always check the year of manufacturing. As you guys can see here the year of manufacturing is 21. So it's a very fresh rubber. It's manufactured in 2021, and I got a crazy deal on this, though it's a very fresh rubber from Tyre Tec. I'll be dropping down their number as well. They're very helpful, very friendly. You can refer to my name from Craze, so that you guys might get some special discount depending upon what you're going for. I'll be taking you guys inside the store and showing you guys the products which they deal with as well, because they are the authorized and only importer and distributor of Michelin products all over India. So I'll be giving you guys a quick overview of the store as well. In the meantime, let them finish the work with all the 4 tires. So I'll just take you guys inside the store. They not only deal with only Michelin products, they deal with other products as well. So on their board they have Michelin, MRF, C8, Bridgestone, Apollo, so even they deal with Yokohama as well. So their main targets on Michelin. As you guys can see, it's all Michelin products out here. They have all their chemicals as well as all their products which they deal with. So all Michelin products, they're the only authorized importer as well as distributor all over India. So it's a very nice store to visit. They're very friendly, the owner as well as the employees working out. They crack good deals for you. So this was the overview of the store. If you guys are in Bangalore looking for a good tire place, this is the one you should go for, because I researched a lot for my Brezza's tire. I did a research for almost 1.5 months to 2 months, and finally ended up getting my tires installed here. So guys, I'm back home, and finally 235/60 R16 tires were installed on my car. I was a lot on internet searching whether 235/60 R16 will fit on a Vitara Brezza, but I never got any proper conclusion or any proper information telling that yes, there's proper clearance. So I took the risk. I went ahead and installed 235/60 R16 on my car. So the Yokohama Geolander was very good, to be frank. My first impression after driving, I found a lot of difference from the Apollo. Maybe the Apollo is totally short, 64,500 kilometers was done on the stock tires. Recommended is 40,000 kilometers, but I exceeded around 24,000 kilometers, which is very risky, and I would highly recommend you guys to not do it. Since I was driving only in the city at 40-60 kilometers per hour, I was a bit lethargic. But I would highly recommend you guys to change it at 40,000 kilometers with the recommended manufacturer, what they quote. So this Yokohama Geolander, which I purchased from Tyre Tec, Mr. Prakash and Ramanjeneya were very helpful for me. They suggested me the right tires. They gave me a variety of options, and I chose the one. So I went for the Yokohama Geolander. It fitted well in my budget and various other things. So those of you guys who are waiting for how much is each tire, it comes around 8,800 or 8,700 roughly. It totally depends. Plus the wheel balancing, alignment, the fitment. I got different lug nuts and various other things. So my bill was around some 38 to 39,000 rupees roughly. So that's the bill amount. So pretty much the first impression, it was very good, but I just don't want to dive into the conclusion telling that it's the best tire in this segment. I would catch a couple of miles on these tires and then give you guys a final conclusion. I just don't want to dive into conclusion, and my immediate conclusion might be wrong as well. So I want to take my time, catch a couple of miles on the car's tire, then give you guys a conclusion, a proper clear-cut conclusion. But for the first impressions, yes, the Geolander is an amazing tire. It's not too soft compound as well. It's kind of a mixed compound. But the grip which I got initially, it was pretty good. But there's a kind of a shine or a soft layer kind of thing on the initial polish kind of layer in the initial thousands of kilometers. So I'm waiting for that to go. Only then you get the real grip and the real feel of the tire, which is going to be better than the polish layer. So I'll be catching a couple of miles and giving you guys a proper conclusion in the next part of this video. So this was pretty much for this video, guys. I personally liked it. It's not going to bulge out or anything as such with the stock alloy. But if you go for an 8J or 9J alloy wheels, it's kind of going to bulge out a bit and it kind of enhances the look, and I badly want an 8J or 9J alloy, which I'll be getting pretty soon. I'm saving up some cash for that, so let's wait for that, and you guys should also wait because I'll be making a separate video on that, and I'm going to show you guys variety of alloys which are available for a Brezza or a 16-inch alloys on 8J or 9J category. I'll be showing you guys all that, and once it's installed I'll be showing how it's going to be on the car as well. So conclusion will be coming out pretty soon. For now, this is the end of this video, guys. If you like it, please consider the like button. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. And if you have any queries or suggestions, just WhatsApp to my WhatsApp number, or you can also let me know down in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply to it. See you guys in the next video.